Hi guys, as you know, uh, Jabong is right now very hot in the market. It's the first ever online shopping site which gives you so many options. You're looking for shoes, you're looking for apparels, jewelry, you're looking for some home and living items. It has got everything. But the best news is that you now have got some coupons which you can use uh, while shopping in the Jabong site where you can get ultimate discounts. For that, you need to follow few simple steps. First thing is that open the site jabongcoupons.org. Once you open the site, you can see that there are many coupons available for varieties of things. Like here you have couple of coupons for home and living, then you have got coupon for shoes, apparel, jewelry, then you have got special coupon for ICICI customers who are using ICICI credit or debit card, and you have got one coupon for SDFC customers also who are using SDFC credit card. So what else can you ask for? There are so many coupons available. So let's just see how to use this coupon. So let's say I want to buy some home and living product. Let's say I want to buy some kitchen items, and what I need to do is that I just need to click on the coupon that I need. Let's say I am interested for this offer. Get rupees 750 off on home and living products on a minimum purchase of 4,000 and above. So I'm interested in this coupon. In this case, what I need to do is that I just need to click on this. I need not copy this one. I just need to click on this offer so that I can get the use this particular coupon, and then I can get some good discount. So I'll just click on this, and once I click on this, it will take me to the Japan shopping page. So here I'll go to home and living, and then as I told you, I'm interested for some kitchen items. Let's say I'm interested in crockery. So I just click on crockery. Once I click on crockery, I have got so many options. Let's say I'm interested for coral dinner set, and now I have the coral dinner set in front of me. The price is 4,765. To apply the coupon, what I need to do is that, sorry, click on buy now here. So it will take you up to the page where actually is going to ask you for the coupon. So now you have got the coupon, you can just say add coupon. So here is asking you for the coupon. The best part is that from jabongcoupons.org, when we had clicked and came to Jabong page, the coupon code was automatically copied. So I just need to say paste here. So it will paste it. Just say Control V and it will paste to the coupon. Say use, and now once I say use, see what great discount I got. I got 750 rupees off, so it's now cost me only 4,050. So that's just amazing for me, because just by applying one coupon I got 750 rupees off. So guys, you can see you have I mean, it's just in few three simple steps I uh, could get an offer of 750 off. So like that you can use coupon, whatever coupon is suitable for you from jabongcoupons.org, and you can get the discount. You can get like some unbelievable discount. So what are you waiting for? Happy shopping.